Mr. Sue, welcome to the Shire.
Hey guys, welcome to Red Beard Recipes. Today I'm going to be making some creme brulee. To start with, pop a pan 3/4 full on the heat and bring up to boil to use as a double boiler. Next, we're going to need to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Then we'll mix in our sugar to the egg yolks. We'll cream these together and you'll see that the egg yolks will go a lot paler. This might take a fair bit of whisking. And then pop the egg yolk and sugar mix onto the heat and start adding in your cream. Once all of the cream is mixed in, leave it on the heat, adjusting the heat now and then and giving the mixture a whisk. Allow it to thicken. While we're letting it thicken, we're going to zest our citrus fruits and add that to the mixture. Also add our vanilla paste or fresh vanilla. Once the mixture is thickened and you can see little ribbons being left in the mixture with your whisk, pop it into a measuring jug and pour them equally into ramekins. Let them cool, then wrap them and pop them in the fridge to set for at least 12 hours.
I have a weakness for sweets.
For a cool little garnish, mix sugar and water into a pan on a medium heat. Next, add in dark chocolate and then mix in almond meal. To finish them off, add sugar to the top of the cooled creme brulees. Blow torch until a nice and golden caramel colour, and then garnish with whatever you want. Thanks for watching that one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.